Hi everybody, my name is Frank and today I have 3 tips for better and more efficient writing with AX Semantics for you. I would like to start off with a little story because you probably know it all. There's that day in which you mastered AX Semantics and you produced your first 1,000 pieces of content, and then your SEO guy walks in making a face like that and he talks about pandas and penguins and Google updates, and the bottom line is you have to get variance into your content. So if you want to do that, there's a really lazy way to do it, because there is spots in your content in which people look more and spots which they tend to skip. So if you want an easy way to create variance in your content, start optimizing the beginnings and endings of paragraphs and emphasize the beginnings of sentences. That has a psychological effect and people perceive your content to be more variant. Second tip. If you work with AX Semantics, you probably stumbled across a thing called phrases or vocabularies. That's an element which you should really work yourself into, because they're a lot smarter than you think. A vocabulary is an element that allows our engine to modify and really adapt the things that you want to say into your sentence context. So if you have a container, try to fill it with a vocabulary and not just with a value, and it's going to start behaving super smart. Tip number 3. In my career, I've seen a lot of people fighting really fiercely about the concept of text quality and what a good text actually is. So if your colleagues can't agree upon a concept for text quality, just look at how well your content performs. If things get any better in terms of traffic, visibility or conversion, bam, your content is good. So let's wrap it up. First, look at the beginnings and endings if you want variance. Second, dig into vocabularies because they're smarter than you think. And third, don't fight about text quality, just look at text results.